Well, it's getting fierce cold out there now. This beast from the east will be coming in soon. Are you wrapped up well? Are you warm? Are you okay? Have you got everything you need? Your tea and your biscuits and your milk and your bread. Have you got the fire on? Are you all right? Get into your jammies now, your jammies and your socks, and tuck your jammies into your socks there now, and you'll be all right. Have you make sure everything's right in the house now? Survive the blizzard. You need to survive the blizzard.